Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to discuss about WBC. This part 2. Today I am going to discuss about the detailed morphology of WBC. Firstly, we are going to see about the morphology of neutrophil. It is one type of granulocyte. Its diameter is about 10 to 50 micrometer. Nucleus, it is multilobed, 3 to 6 lobe connected by fine nucleated strands or filaments. Its cytoplasm is uniformly distributed, fine granules, that is pink or violet in color. Granules take it takes both acid and basic stains. Its lifespan varies from 6 hours in the circulation, and its functions are they engulf and kill bacteria by phagocytosis. It secretes proteolytic enzymes which ingest dead particles, play important role in acute inflammation. They liberate chemotactic factors for macrophage. Important note for neutrophil are a neutrophil can usually phagocytose 5 to 20 bacteria before it itself become inactivated or death. The neutrophils are not capable of phagocytosing particles much larger than bacteria. Neutrophils killed by toxins released from the bacteria are collected in the center of the infected area. These are called pus cells, and together with the plasma leak out through the blood vessels, liquefied tissue cells and red blood cells encapsulated from the damaged capillaries continue to form pus. This is the figure of eosinophil, another granulocyte, and the microscopic figure, another slide. Now let us know detail about the eosinophils. It is about 10 to 14 micrometer in diameter. Its nucleus is usually bilobed, and it's purple in color. 80% cell is bilobed, 85% cell, and remaining 15% have trilobe. The two lobes are usually connected by chromatin strands and thus look like a spectacle shape. The cytoplasm is acidophilic, that is, granules take acidic stain and appear bright pink in color. It contains coarse, deep red staining granules which do not cover the nucleus. The granules contain histamine, lysosomal enzymes, and chemotactic factors. Now, let us discover the function of the eosinophil. First function is the primary function. The primary function of eosinophil is to protect the host in parasitic infestation. The following lethal substance present in their granules. These are major basic protein, eosinophilic cationic protein, eosinophilic peroxidase, highly reactive forms of oxygen, hydrolytic enzymes. Number 2, role in allergic reaction. The eosinophil increases the number in some allergic conditions like bacterial asthma and hay fever. They are capable of detoxifying inflammation. They inhibit mast cell degradation. They destroy antigen antibody complex. Number 3, role in immunity. The eosinophils are present in abundance in the mucosa of respiratory tract, gastrointestinal tract, and urinary tract, where they probably provide mucosal immunity. Number 4, important for dissolution of old clot. Now let us discuss about the basophil. Basophil, this is the microscopic figure of basophil. It is one of the another granulocyte. Basophils are the rarest leukocyte. It is about 1%. They are so-called granulocyte because the granules stain like purple blue color. They are quite small, that is 8 to 10 micrometer in diameter. Their nucleus is also bilobed or trilobed, but it is hard to see because the granules overlapped it, and it cannot see under microscope easily. So let us discuss the function. Number 1, role in allergic reaction. Basophil release histamine, bradykinin, serotonin, 5-hydroxytryptamine. These substances in turn causes local vascular and tissue reactions that causes many allergic manifestations. Number 2, role in preventing a spread of allergic inflammatory processes. Number 3, release of heparin. Basophil release heparin in the blood, which prevent clotting of the blood and activates the enzyme lipoprotein lipase, which remove the fat particles from the blood after a fatty meal. Now let us discuss about the lymphocyte. This is the under microscope showing lymphocyte. Now let us discuss detail about the lymphocyte. Its morphology is, its diameter is about, there are two types of lymphocyte, large lymphocyte and a small lymphocyte. Larger lymphocyte is about 12 to 16 micrometer and smaller lymphocyte is about 7 to 10 micrometer. And nucleus, there is lymphocytes have a large round single nucleus which almost completely fill the cell. It stains blue very deeply, giving ink spot appearance. And the cytoplasm is scanty. Its amount is always less than that of the nucleus. It is seen as crescent or clear line blue around the nucleus. You can classify lymphocyte into two ways according to the size, small lymphocyte and large lymphocyte, and according to function, T lymphocyte and B lymphocyte. So let us see what are the functions. Lymphocyte play important role in immunity, that is B lymphocyte as well as their derivatives. The plasma cells are responsible for the development of humoral immunity, is also called antibody mediated immunity, and T lymphocytes are responsible for development of cellular immunity, also called cell mediated immunity or T cell immunity. Okay. Now this is the under microscopic figure of monocyte. You can see it looks like a bean shape or kidney shape. This is another figure. Now discuss about the monocyte. Monocyte is another granulocyte. It is the largest mature leukocyte in the peripheral blood. The mature into large cell is called macrophage. The name derived from macro mean big and phase mean eat. Its diameter is about 16 to 20 micrometer. This nucleus is usually single, but it is crescentic in position, present usually one side of the cell. It may be noted notched or indented and horseshoe shaped or kidney shaped, and cytoplasm is abundant, pale blue and usually clear, and no granules present. The functions are: number 1, role in defense mechanism. Monocyte along with neutrophil play important role in body's defense mechanism. Their main function is phagocytosis. Role in tumor immunity. Monocytes may also kill tumor cells after sensitization by lymphocytes. And number 3, synthesis of biological substances. Monocytes synthesis complement and other biological important substances. So that's all. We will discuss detail about the endothelial reticuloendothelial system in the next class. Thanks for watching.